Morning, guys. What a beautiful sunrise. Recently, Myanmar has been hit by a devastating earthquake, and yeah, I keep seeing the news, and it just makes me sad. A lot of my relatives are affected as well. Yeah, they have to sleep on the streets and things like that because they are too afraid that their home would collapse. Anyway, I just came out here to say that just do your best to help out if you can. Me and my football team, we are doing our best. We are donating as much as we can to help out with this cause. And yeah, by the time I upload this video, it would have been over. But yeah, I mean, it's been tough, man, these few years for Burmese people. We are going through a lot of things, and yeah, I just hope that we don't after all this, we came on top, come back stronger, both mentally and physically, in every aspect. So yeah, just keep going, guys, keep working hard. Yeah, just keep pushing yourself. That's all I can say from here, and I will keep pushing myself so that I can help the people back in my hometown. So that's always been my goal. That's always been who I am. So yeah, I see a lot of people talking online, talking about the government, the military, and yeah, I'm not gonna be out here moaning about it, because in reality, how I've grown up, there was never been proper help, and the biggest asset that we have is is the people itself. So yeah, just maybe the new generation might be new to this, but yeah, what we have is like ourselves, and it has been like that for decades. And yeah, just survive, man. Just help each other out. Yeah, there's no point talking about the bad government on the internet and then sharing stupid stuff. Instead, go and work, go and donate as much as you can, and lend a helping hand, because we as a community is all that we have. Yeah, even they themselves have requested for aid, international aid. So yeah, there's really no point talking about them. Just do your thing, man.
This is abuse.
How is this abuse?
She's not very happy.
What's the cooling system က bro အဲ့ဒီချက်ထားတဲ့ batch တစ်ခုကို so like how much time? Yeah. Alright, so finally after 2 months I finally found a candidate to run a brewery. So yeah, we're gonna be working closely. He's gonna be my, the guy that will be physically down at the brewery. I'll do all the planning, and then yeah, we'll see how we can grow the brewery business here in Singapore as well. I will bring you guys along, and I'll do the same thing, right? I'll try to document and show you guys, and show the process, show the growth.
Hey, 69နော်ညာနေ
Go!
And then they see it, and they basically the confirmation. Okay, this is actually what I look for. Because imagine if they come on the landing page and they.
Alright guys, so today wasn't that good of a day because it was a stressful day for me. There was just a lot of work piling up. So usually on Sunday I don't like to work so much. I like to take things slowly and then just go for my game, enjoy the time with my friends and all. But I think today it was a little bit, from the get-go. I was talking about the Myanmar earthquake. I was a little bit emotional, and then after breakfast it was just a snowball effect of negative things, and it was quite bad. And the thing is, but within these negative things, we learned quite a lot. There was a few times that I just wanted to shout or give up, and I was so angry at some moments. But now thinking back, I think there's quite a lot of things that we learn. I learned through this stressful moment, because like I said, our agency, we still have the clients that we started off, and those are the ones that had a lot of work, which we when we started off, all we thought was just to get a client and then do something so that we get the numbers in and we can prove to other people so that our sales pitch is a lot easier. So that's what happened. But now it's affecting us in a way that we are having too many things to edit. We're having delays. We're having a lot of issues. But all in all, I think that was just a stress from my side. The client were not rushing us, and I don't think they really care. They have put in all the trust in us, and that is why we are stressed, because we want to deliver the result good. All the other work, like my brewery and other things that I'm working on. So today was just anyway, that is it for today. Tomorrow I'm going to a wedding, bring you guys along. It's a very good friend of mine, so going off to the wedding, and then after the wedding I'll be going in my suit to the beach, East Coast Park, to shoot another segment of one of our clients. So long day again, back to work. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
I think he's upstairs. I don't know why my hair looks so good. Never do anything.
Right here at the East Coast Park after the wedding, we're gonna shoot some podcasts.
The office situation, which is quite prevalent in these few weeks, these few months. A lot of young people are basically like quite unhappy about it. You know, like everyone's completed on time, their KPIs are met. Then I wouldn't see too much of a problem lah. Yeah, wouldn't really change in that regard, even if I was a team.
Yeah, same. I think similar to what I was saying. I would.
Well, there's no way you can do this, I feel,
Yeah,
because you just can't get a reward at the start.
yeah.
Right.
These kind of like thoughts go through my mind all the time. But the thing is, every time I have this thought, right, I don't know if it's luck or hard work, it always seems to have like a positive outcome after a few days of like, what the hell, is this gonna work out? You know, like it's been 4 months, like, you know, we haven't got another, you know, additional client.
Yeah.
Then suddenly, boom, someone refer us, or like someone wants to work with us. Doesn't matter if it's like a short-term project or the long-term one. Yeah, slowly we are getting there, and then there's hope, you know.
Yeah.
There's always like, wow, okay, maybe I shouldn't give up yet.
Yeah.
You know, let's keep going. That's like always happening on my mind.
Yeah.
It's just like sharing with you. Yeah. So somehow this vlog turned into a podcast, and I've said pretty much everything that I want to say to you guys. So yeah, gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.